Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So this is for Water Sign Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's start your reading. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe, pa-subscribe na lang sa channel. Sa mga gustong magpa-personal reading, kay Jing Tarot Reader na lang guys. And kung gusto mong i-check, meron akong TikTok guys. Dun sa aking TikTok shop, meron ako naka-promo ngayon. Yung Evil Eye Bracelet na may kasama siyang astrological reading, no? Yung astrological reading, nakalagay doon compatibility. So, babasahin ko yung chart mo at saka yung chart ng person mo at yung placement ng mga planets ninyo and uh, kung compatible ba kayo. Pero kung hindi naman at wala kang mga partner na gustong ipa-compatibility test, ay pwede naman sarili mong astrology. No? Kung ano yung gusto mo itanong, future, etc. Ayan, mga career na bagay sa'yo, etc. Pwede mong i-inquire, i-message mo na lang doon. Okay, so this is for the sign of water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Meron tayong special channel for water sign ha. Water sign Philippines. Ayan. So you do have your Three of Pentacles, the Hierophant, and the Three of Wands. Yan, may number 33 na tayo dyan. And the way I see this, you are the Hierophant. Ayan, Taurus energy. You are someone na maybe you are a very spiritual person, maybe you are someone na magaling magturo, or maybe you do have this magandang uh, way ng pakikipag-communicate sa tao. So, pwedeng ikaw ay teacher or someone na pwedeng maging speaker or maybe even a writer. Basta magaling kang mag-isip ng mga sasabihin. And you do have the moon, Pisces energy. I'm seeing that you are currently hiding something. And might be nagpo-focus ka ngayon kuno sa pera, sa paano mai-increase or ayusin or maging maganda ang flow ng money mo, but deep inside you are missing someone, you're thinking someone with the moon here, meron kang iniisip, and you are missing a person na might be hindi mo mailabas ngayon or hindi mo masabi kung sino itong person na ito, or maybe hindi mo maikwento, masabi sa mga tao sa paligid mo. Who is this person that you're dealing with for the sign of water sign, please? Sino itong person na connect mo? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, person na connect mo for water sign. The world is here, the Ace of Wands, Ten of Cups, okay. Ten of Cups and the Ace of Swords. Dalawang number 1 ang nandito. So, and the Ten of Cups, nakikita natin na itong person na ito is nagpo-focus sa kanyang happiness. Maybe marami siyang iniisip na new beginnings ngayon and dito siya nagpo-focus. The world is here, so pwedeng sinasarado niya yung kanyang sarili or not being open pagdating sa'yo. The world, I see this as a close person. I see this as a person na pwedeng nagiging mailap. This person is, meron pa palang isa dito. The King of Wands. So, might be, this is an honest person. So, pwedeng ino-open up niya sa'yo or na-i-open niya na sa'yo in the past kung ano yung mga plano niya, yung mga gusto niya simulan, etc. And, maybe ngayon, hindi na niya ino-open ito. Maybe in the past lang. And, hindi ka masyadong, nakita ko hindi ka masyadong nagpe-pay attention or hindi mo masyadong pinansin kung ano man yung mga sinabi niya na yon. Pero you're thinking about that. You're thinking about etong mga bagay na ito pero hindi mo masyadong binigyan ng attention or pansin. So anyway, anong emotion ninyo sa isa't isa ng person na ito, water sign? Anong emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Five of Swords, Page of Pentacles, The Death card. Okay, whatever ending ang nangyayari ngayon, so nakikita natin na masasaktan ka din dyan with the Five of Swords. Pero parang kailangan mo tanggapin with the Page of Pentacles. So, hindi mo rin alam kung ano yung dapat mong maging emotion regarding dito, honestly. With the Five of Swords, kung ano man itong mga changes na ito, pinipilit mong kayanin, 'di ba? So, ano naman yung mga emotion na nararamdaman niya para sa'yo? So, maaari na may-miss mo siya in a way na kung ano yung mga meron sa inyo in the past, pwedeng yun yung na-miss mo. The Seven of Swords is here. King of Swords, tell me more. The Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Swords. Okay, etong person na ito pwedeng alam mo yun, parang hinahayaan ka na lang niya kasi feeling niya wala ka rin namang pakialam. So, with the Wheel of Fortune, nagpo-focus na lang siya sa mga pagbabago ngayon sa buhay niya. The Three of Swords, pwedeng nasasaktan din siya. Or pwedeng ikaw din. Kasi I feel like some of you meron eh. May meron. So, pwedeng nasasaktan siya. Pero parang hinahayaan niya na lang din. Kasi wala ka rin naman din action na ginagawa dito. So, itong person na ito, feeling niya hindi ka ganun ka-interesado or what. So, hindi na lang niya masyadong binibigyan ng pansin or attention yan. What will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? Hindi ko to kunin masyadong marami. For water sign, Two of Cups is here. Seven of Wands. Temperance. Seven of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. King of Cups. Clarify the Two of Cups, please. Clarify the Two of Cups. The Sun and the Nine of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Fool and the Moon. Three of Swords Strength card is here. I'm seeing a relationship here in the future na parang ang makikita mo is parang akala mo masaya pero hindi pala. There's a lot of problem, a lot of hindi pagkakaunawaan and kailangan intindihin na kind of energy. Maybe some of you pwedeng either ikaw or yung person mo ay maging involved sa isang relationship na hindi siya maging maganda or masaya dahil iisipin lang mo, no, or siya, na whoever this person, may isa sa inyo ang makikita natin na mai-involve sa isang relationship na punong-puno ng stress and hindi magandang energy. And I can see Temperance here, yung pagiging patient or pagtitiis dito sa relationship na ito. With the Six of Pentacles, this energy is here is more focused on money. May mga bagay dito na mag-grow. Magiging madali yung growth actually pagdating sa pera. Yeah. The Fool is here, so may mga bagay na sisimulan with the Moon. I feel like more on spiritual ito yung sisimulan na ito. But with the Three of Swords, yeah, gagawin lang yon to, para, alam mo yan, maging busy. Kasi, I feel like, with the Strength card, pipilitin na hindi maisipan or isipin kung ano man yung connection ninyo. So, I feel like one of you is magfo-focus more on spiritual stuff and etc. So, yan. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you all and bye-bye.